Dermique in Feeding Hills is inviting the Pioneer Valley to their Patient Appreciation Night. That's happening tomorrow night, and patient consultant Kelly Ivy Subach joins us this morning to share the details. Kelly, always nice to have you here.
Thank you.
Now, patient appreciation is not just for existing patients. It's for anyone that has been saying, I want to go there and find out how they can help me.
Every year we do it at this time of the year, and it is to say thank you to some of our amazing patients that are like our family now, but it is also to bring new people in who have not experienced us, who maybe need a little bit less pressure environment, kind of meet us, meet the doctor, see our facility, and kind of get to know us a little bit.
There also will be a blood drive happening, which is a great thing to do any time of year, but also there's a great perk.
Yes, the Mercy Bloodmobile will be there from 4 to 8 p.m. Tomorrow evening, and they get a $50 gift certificate to Dermique once they give a donation. And if they try to give a donation, but they can't, if they're a little anemic, they still get the $50 gift card, because it's not really their fault.
Yeah, exactly. So at least going and trying is wonderful, and it's nice that you're doing that. Now, there also will be demonstrations, raffles, food, and some different people that they can talk to about procedures, like Dr.
Krzyzewski will be there, and he'll be doing demonstrations of filler and Botox, something that we always get a million questions about. And our practitioners will also be doing some of the non-invasive procedures like the hydrofacial and thermosmooth, so people get a little idea of what's going on.
That's wonderful. Now let's talk about some of the more the procedures that we've talked about. Really, I mean, over the past few weeks, we kind of talk about all different procedures. So letting people know just some of the things that they can learn about when they go to Patient Appreciation Night tomorrow night. Let's start with Thermalift.
Thermalift is probably our most popular procedure. I think it's the best bang for your buck. It's a weekend procedure, minimally invasive. You have it on a Saturday or Sunday, a tiny little nick in the skin, and it removes that excess fat under the neck or jawline and then tightens that tissue up. So it's kind of like a mini facelift without all of that that's involved.
And it's a weekend.
It's a weekend. You're back to work on Monday. Nobody needs to know what you had done. What you're looking at right now is the picture of the camera that does the procedure with the doctor, and that allows for amazing results, so there is no guesswork involved whatsoever.
Vizia, the skin analysis, I actually was able to get that done a few months ago with you.
That's my ballpark. So that's what patients come in when they first meet us, and they want to know a little bit about what's going on with their skin. Takes the guesswork out of it, so that the patient comes in, I'm able to look deeper into the skin, find out exactly what's going on, as we can see with Miss Ashley on the camera right now, and what I need to do to her skin.
And that's a consultation. Come in, people can get that done, and that's where they can learn more.
Absolutely.
Let's talk about Pearl.
Pearl is a resurfacing procedure for people who don't have time for resurfacing. They don't have time to come in for 15 peels. They want one procedure, one exfoliation for the year, and then they're done. Little picture of showing how they kind of look. It's a little bit red after, but then within 3 days you're back to normal. Great resurfacing treatment with lack of pigmentation and reduction in fine lines and wrinkles.
Now, Limelight, is that similar to Pearl?
It is completely different. There's no resurfacing going on whatsoever.
Okay.
That is specifically for those brown spots. It was developed for cancer research, actually, but what they found out was that people who had it all the time looked like they had an amazing facial, so it got to be known as a photo facial. But we treat it usually for discoloration and brown spots in the skin.
As we can see here in these photos. Let's talk about a chemical peel.
A chemical peel sounds terribly frightening, but it is not whatsoever. It is the use of natural acids in the skin applied by a professional that allow for your dead skin cells to kind of flake off. So it kind of speeds up that natural mitosis, so that after 3 days your skin is glowing, bright, your makeup goes on beautifully, everything looks good.
And that's when everyone says, what did you do?
Exactly.
And then you say, I got a chemical peel. Or you just say, I got a good night's sleep. All right, talk to us about cellulase.
Cellulase is for cellulite. Probably the most difficult treatment to treat, because it doesn't matter if you're heavy, if you're skinny, it's just because you're a woman, and it's because you produce estrogen. So it's the one procedure that can be done to permanently remove that.
Okay, let's talk about the collagen pin.
Collagen pin is probably the most exciting procedure that we have, because it is non-invasive. It is for stretch marks. It is for acne scars. It is for scars in general. It's for anti-aging, pore size, you name it, the treatment does it. It's usually 3 treatments, 4 weeks apart from each other, done with this little pen right there, no pain involved whatsoever. We probably do 6 to 8 of them per day, so it's probably our most non-invasive procedure that we do.
And that is just, we have segments on our website, mymassappeal.com, with every single one of these procedures that we've covered. Yeah, I know. But this is what people can talk to you about. That's tomorrow
Absolutely.
night, Thursday, December 4th, from 5 to 8 p.m. Go mingle, have fun, learn, raffles,
Please
donate
come and
blood.
see us, 1154 Springfield Street.
Wonderful. Kelly, thanks so much for being here. It's always
Thank
nice
you.
to see you. And it's nice that you're having this patient appreciation night. And for more information, you can call 413-786-DERM, DERM, or you can visit Dermique.com.